Let's learn how to play When I Am Baptized. We'll start by putting our hand in C position. C position is with our thumb on C, which is right at the bottom of two black notes. And we play the bottom twice, the middle twice, and the top once. Excellent. Now we're going to tack on to the beginning, playing two G's. G's are right above F, which is at the bottom of three blacks. So G is right here. So we play this twice, and then we play the rest of phrase 1. Let's play it again, this time with the words. I like to look for rainbows. Excellent. We're going to use this sentence again later. Right now we're going to move on to sentence 2, which starts in C position as well. This time it goes from top almost down to the bottom, repeating a couple of the notes. Notice we play the top note twice, we play our fourth finger twice, and then we just keep going down one step at a time. Let's play sentence 2 again. And now we'll do it with the words. Whenever there is rain. Excellent. Now we'll go back to phrase 1. Remember, we play G twice, and pawn, and then we move up to C position. On the beauty. And then we go to sentence 2. This time we're going to repeat the top note one extra time so it fits with the words. Of the earth made clean again. Great. Let's play the whole thing all the way through. Starting on sentence 1. I like to look for rainbows whenever there is rain, and ponder on the beauty of the earth made clean again. Excellent job! We'll be learning more coming up soon.